Hi everyone, welcome to Top Tech Blitz. In this video, we will be looking at a TECNO Camon 17 Pro, which is Shenzhen-based phone maker TECNO. It became Africa's #1 phone brand over the years by releasing affordable smartphones, some of which are assembled in China, with an emphasis on selfie cameras and large screens. The company's latest Camon 17 Pro follows the same path. For around the equivalent of $280, the Camon 17 Pro offers a 6.8-inch 90Hz 1080p LCD screen, a 64-megapixel main camera, and 48-megapixel selfie camera, along with a Helio G95 chip from Mediatek, and 258 GB of internal storage. They are very good for a $280 device in markets like Nigeria, Ethiopia, India, and some other African countries. Having 258 GB of storage at this price point is particularly unheard of. I've been testing a unit for the past week and it's hard to complain too much at this price point. The phone is solidly built. Its plastic back has a frosted finish that gives it a more premium feel. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner is fast and responsive. The screen pumps out vivid colors with respectable brightness, and the main camera is surprisingly capable. The Mediatek chip is not the most powerful processor around, but I had no issues running the usual apps, as well as playing games like Real Racing 3. Like many budget phones, TECNO provides everything needed out of the box, including a transparent soft gel case. The phone has a headphone jack, and a 25 watts fast charging brick, and USB-C cable. The phone even has a plastic film screen protector that's pre-applied. For me, using the phone, I had no major qualms other than a mediocre 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera that suffers from lackluster dynamic range and soft details around the edges. I am, as mentioned earlier, happy with the main camera. It has responsive shutter speed, handles HDR well, and produces muted but realistic colors. Focusing speed can be a bit slow, but it's likely because I'm used to using phones that cost 5 times as much. The standout feature here is the 48-megapixel selfie camera, which uses an OmniVision sensor with an f2.2 aperture. It's a fixed focus lens, but sharpness and detail are both excellent. Even when shooting against backlight, the phone's HDR produced a balanced shot, and the artificial bokeh portrait mode looks respectable. The selfie camera can also record 4K 30 footage, although stabilization takes a hit when shooting at this resolution. The TECNO Camon 17 Pro runs Android 11, with TECNO software skin on top. The software is mostly fine, but some of the Android features, such as force rotating orientation even when auto-rotate is turned off, is missing here. The app drawer also operates differently in virtually all other Android phones. You swipe up to pull a drawer up, and swipe down to close it. Here on the Camon 17 Pro, you still bring up the drawer by swiping up, but after which, a swipe down does not close the drawer. Instead, you have to activate the phone's back command, which is either an on-screen button or a swipe from the sides. This is a minor change, but one that fundamentally alters how you navigate around Android. I don't like it. Elsewhere, the 5000 mAh battery is huge for a phone with these specs, and even for my heavy usage the Camon 17 Pro can easily last a 13-hour day outside. The phone also boasts stereo speakers, something you don't usually see at this price range, and the speaker quality are above average. Overall, at this sub-$300 price range, the TECNO Camon 17 Pro offers a lot to like. It works well as a media consumption device, thanks to the large screen, stereo speakers, long battery life, and ample amount of storage. If I compare this phone against similarly priced phones from Samsung or LG phones, I'd still prefer the latter two brands because they have more polished software, but for its intended market, the Camon 17 Pro should be another hit. I hope you find this information useful. Kindly let us know on the comments section below, and also subscribe to our channel for any other useful videos by clicking the subscribe button below and click on like button also. Thanks for watching.